Hey everybody, I'm Edward Munoz and I'm here at Burton & Burton. In this video, I want to show you how you can properly inflate and how you can upgrade a Burton & Burton helium balloon bouquet kit. Let me show you. First, let's open the package. I like those packages because everything comes inside, means ribbon and balloons. What you need to add on the end is just a weight. They come in with 4 standard balloons and 1 shape. To open the curly ribbon, I always hold the 2 ends and just stretch. Hold the 2 ends, stretch. Now, let's attach the curly ribbon to the balloon. Make a loop and just tie. Tie to the bottom of your neck 2 times. After attach all the ribbon to the balloons, let's start inflating. Remember, those are foil balloons. We need to inflate with the foil nozzle. Just put the balloon there. With one hand, just hold the balloon. And with the other hand, just straight up the foil balloon. Now we need to tie the bouquet to the weight. What I like to do all the time is the shape on top, 2 extenders, and 2 extenders. But now let me show you how you properly tie the helium bouquet to the foil weight. First, let's tie the shape, because the California law, they say that each foil balloon needs to be tied individually. Let's start with the shape. I always make like 2 knots and I always cut the extra. Now let's tie a standard balloon. Remember what I said in the beginning, the way you stagger is a shape on top, 2 extenders and 2 extenders. See how I tie each foil individually? Now let's attach the last one. The last extender. Just tie 2 times. And just cut the extra ribbon. And now the extra curly ribbon, let's take a scissor and just curly. The way to upgrade the bouquet is using a Burton & Burton plush like a weight. Tie individually each balloon to the ribbon loop. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.